Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Tomorrow we play against a very good team because Bengaluru, we know the last 3 years was with the same coach and more or less is the same philosophy, and now they are a big compact team. Now we are in a new chapter, we are a new team. But I think it's be positive because it's a new chapter for us, and our mentality now is be positive, and all the players are ready for tomorrow. I know the history about Bengaluru against Goa. I know about the last three years. I know about what happened in the last games. But to repeat, this is a new team. It's a new chapter. It's a new moment of the season. I will be positive. All the team is in his mind will be positive, and thinking about the focus is our team. The focus is our target, and forget the past, forget about what happened with Bengaluru or what happened. Is the most important now is thinking in our team.
FC Goa midfield maestro Lenny Rodrigues, who seems pumped for tomorrow's clash, said that this season will be different as they have a new coach, new players and a new philosophy.
This season it will be different because we have a new coach and all the new players are there. So the philosophy, we are stuck to our new coach and we are ready for the match.
Talking about head-to-head, FC Goa have beaten Bengaluru FC only once. Since then, Bengaluru FC have beaten FC Goa 5 times and drawn once. Since the pre-season has been short, FC Goa have been training twice a day to get ready for the tournament.
Bravo! Continue, bravo! Good Lenny, good Lenny. So very important, they are working. Kendra, Mario, they are working hard, okay? Mouse outside. Okay, keep calm. Bravo, keep calm, ahí va, Okay, now left. Bravo, keep calm. Bravo. Sácala al otro lado, giro. Okay, keep calm.
Although the game is being played behind closed doors, the Goa Army has expressed all their love and support to their team.
To be a new era under Juan Ferrando for FC Goa. Nothing but a victory. So Viva Goa, Viva FC Goa.
Very excited to see my team play after a very long time. Though it's been in closed doors, but we'll be supporting our team every time. Forza Goa.
The first match of ISL 7, FC Goa plays against BFC. 14 players, local Goan players, and we are all excited to see our local boys perform best and give their best, and nothing short of a victory. Viva Goa, FC Goa.